make my bed, I'll save up all my energy. Instead, you take up all the energy I have inside. And I can't find a way to just ignore it. And I can't really take it anymore, 'cause I can't stop you from running around through my mind. Won't stop running, never will. I'll take some melatonin pills this time, 'cause I just wanna sleep tonight. Yeah, I just wanna sleep. But lately I've been sleeping way too much, 'cause baby, I've been dreaming about us. And I can't help but wish that all my dreams came true. But I'm not ever wishing on a star. The galaxies won't make you change your heart, won't make it any easier for me to stop dreaming about you. So I've been getting bags under my eyes, 'cause I've been staying up too late at night, just writing all my feelings out on this page, deciding whether I should just confess or hide.
This party shit, wish we could dare go anywhere but you. Don't take a hit, don't kiss my lips, and please don't drink more beer. I'ma crawl out of the window now, 'cause I don't like anyone around. Kinda hope you follow with me out, but this is definitely not my crowd.
19, but you act 25 now. Knees weak, but you talk pretty proud. Wow, ripped jeans in a cup that you just down. Take me where the music ain't too loud. Trade drinks, but you don't even know her. Save me till the party is over. Kiss me in the seat of your Rover. It's sweet, but I wish you were sober.
Wish you were so, wish you were so, wish you were so.
I wish you were sober.
Wish you were so, wish you were so, wish you were so.
I wish you were sober. Trip down the road, walking you home. Kiss me at your door, pulling me close, beg me stay over. But I'm over this roller coaster. I'ma crawl out of the window now, getting good at saying gotta bounce. Honestly, you always let me down.
Let's go to side. Let's stay home and play. I got so many funny games we could do today.